unless we are checking if an equation is actually balanced, it should be immediately because that's what an equation is. Something where one side equals the other side. And we can think of an equation as balanced just like a scale, specifically a pan balance, works, where if we have the same weight on both sides, it's even. So as long as we do the same thing to both sides, that scale will still be even, it'll still be balanced. So if we took the same equation and added another 3 to each side, so we had our 5 plus 2, and then we added 3, it's still balanced. And I have parentheses on the 5 plus 2 just to keep that together, but in this instance, if it didn't exist, it would still be equal. Well, let's try subtracting. Let's subtract 4 from both sides. So we can take 5 plus 2 and take away 4 from both sides. And this is still balanced. It's still equal. We could even multiply or divide. So I could take 5 plus 2, and let's say I have 3 groups of that. Well, as long as I multiply the other side by 3, it's all the same. It's all balanced. And we have to do parentheses here because we're taking the entirety of 5 plus 2 and multiplying that by 3. And lastly, we could also divide. We could take, I'm going to move it down a little bit, 5 plus 2, and I could write the division sign. I'm actually going to write it as a fraction. 5 plus 2 divided by 7 is the same thing as 7 divided by 7. So with balancing equations, we can take whatever the equation is, and as long as we do the same thing to both sides, it will stay equal.